comes to writing those scripts. And also keep in mind the user experience of what's going on. Like they're watching something else and then you interrupted that. So ideally you're doing it in a way that's enjoyable for them, so they have some sort of affinity for your brand. That would be like an extra special bonus if you can accomplish all of those things.
Yeah, that's great. That's a really good point as well. Both on encouraging them to skip, and then yeah, you really got to entertain them. I mean, that's something interesting too, because like I know multiple people who run basically their whole VSL as a YouTube ad. Right? It's like an ad, but it's like a 30-minute long video or 20 minutes or 40 minutes or whatever. So there's more room to play with stuff versus like I mean, you could do like a long email selling something as well. So there's sort of like a parallel there, but like, yeah, but generally, yeah, biggest things I think are like getting that intro correct. Getting people who are qualified and who do want to be watching to like really roped in, so they want to watch and they start learning. And but yeah, like making it feel like almost like native to the platform, right? Like to Ben's point, where someone's like watching a lot of YouTube videos, like make yours sort of feel like a YouTube video that they would be watching, right? Like a commercial, like a TV commercial type thing is like gonna have a very different feel versus like someone talking in front of like almost like vlogging in front of a camera with like a whiteboard, or like, you know, in front of in the kitchen. Like you want it to feel like native content to YouTube and not something that's like you know, like sort of clearly an advertisement. You don't want it to feel like an ad.